Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into troubleshooting and fixing a tailgate, liftgate, that won't close on your Skoda, specifically focusing on scenarios where you might have diagnostic codes involved. This guide will cover common causes, troubleshooting steps, potential solutions, and considerations for your specific Skoda model. I'll incorporate code examples where applicable, although most tailgate issues are electromechanical rather than purely software-driven. Important safety warnings ***. Disconnect the battery * before working on any electrical components, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents accidental shorts and potential injury. Tailgate support **. If the tailgate is stuck open, secure it with a prop rod or assistant to prevent it from falling unexpectedly and causing injury. Caution with springs/struts **. Tailgate struts, gas or electric, are under high pressure. Handle them with care. Never puncture or disassemble them. Read your car's manual. Consult your Skoda's owner's manual and repair manual for specific instructions and diagrams related to your model.